Hello, starting with project creation, click the add, choose any project. I'm going to choose storage here, and I'll put this. I already have test 1. I'm going to have this one as test 2. Test 2. The cost should be 100. What I'm targeting that the cost should be. And description, let me say I want to do it with Ben and somebody like P. In the description, I want to put a current project. Now I want to select my harvest time, maybe in 3 months time. I want to select that. When I select and tag the currency that I'm using there, but I'll leave the default hash to be there. When I click next, I'll add what I'm going to buy now. Click the add, can select type, whether it's a consumable, something that I'm going to use and it will not bring out any product. That is a tool that I'm going to use in the listing, or a product what I will use, and it will give the same name as value. But I'll select as product because that's the most complicated one. This one is going to give you a pop-up like the name. Now let's say test P as for the product. The unit should be back. The quantity that I want to buy is 5. The price is 20. Then we have the total 100. The description here, and just put GG. And when I commit, you see that okay, all the other things that I say I should set target for this. The quantity is there, you can still edit it, but the quantity I want it to remain like that because it's a storage something. I want it at the when the price is 25. At this price, I've set it, and I can add another product here as a cost. Next, if I want to set target something that is not, I'm not going to buy, but I'm going to get it at the end something, I will still click here like this. Set target, can set target. With a target, normally the current something about the target is not there. Set target, unit T, unit tag. Let me say we have 3 items, price of 10, then have 30. We submit for a target. If you finish, then you will just click next on the target to take you there, or you can click up here anyhow. But let me take you back small. From here, if you finish, you can still click there. There is no image, that's why you see that arrow showing. If you want, you can select the image that you want. For this, let us be fast. Next, then it goes next, show our target. So you can still buy some other items, the ones that we have there. And the target, you can still set your target, clicking here again. Not going to do that again. Buy item 2, it's just the same thing. Another one. Now let's go and sell some items. Want to sell, you click, see that the target available is 0, but the P have the available of 5. Let me say I want to sell 1. Let me click 22, maximum exceeded. I want to sell 1. The current price is 5. 20, I'll still say at that 20. So I want the current price to remain the same. Immediately when you change the current price, it's going to change automatically. Change the current price for that item. I can still use it when you want to use. You can still have something I want to use 2, and I'm going to indicate the price that the thing is that I'm using as still 20. Same thing with West. You can choose an item and select the West like that. But let me go and do the West somewhere else. Here in the products, let me come to this target. I can edit the current price. Like now that we have that the current price, the current quantity is 0, let me have increase it to 10, and then the current price to be 2. Let me submit. Now if I click like this, you can see that I can say here, use here, remove West, edit my target, and increase the quantity as I do. But what we want to do, we want to remove the West. West is, the pop-up is just the same like the other ones. We want to remove 2, and the price should still be 2 as we have edited lastly. Now finish editing. Again, let's click back and click like this. You can still come back to all projects. Oh, it now goes to all projects. The all projects is here. What if I select this one? It's where in a creation page, that's why it does like that. Now if I come back here, all projects, it goes to all projects, and we have basically finished this. But let me come and export this particular one. You can export it as project app, the one that you can still import. Excel, if you want to visualize it with Excel. Plain text, maybe you want to share with somebody that don't have Excel but can still view it. It's tab separator or command separated values. You have cancelled them. But let me export it as plain text so that we can easily view it. Export has completed the plain text. I already export project 2. Here's this, but the plain text is here, and we can equally share with friends here. Share button is there where you can share. And coming to settings, come to settings here. Now ordinary we have put order by the order of your project you want it to be. Let me go to that project first. Look at this one. Let me go say okay. Setting, you want the settings to modify, to sort by date modify, or you can say sort by name. Let's sort by name first. When we go back, see that it's sorting by name, and so the other ones too are there. Search by, now it's searching by name. You can still search by category. I can select both or select only one. I think with this you can do help. When you click on help, it will give you the guide on how to do all those things in details, of which I'm not going to cover it here now. Now the accounts is here. You can load your subscriptions when the button is active. Here you are saying that we have not subscribed to this app yet, and when you are done with your subscription, maybe you can manage your subscription here on Google Play. There's bad network connection, or you watch ads for you to gain coins that you'll be able to do without. Look at error, connection error. I said it earlier. Let's see, try it again. Good. 1 year subscription, 6 months, and then 3 months subscription. All of these things, when you buy any of the subscription, you'll be able to access every feature that is here. But some of the features that are highlighted, like the export, you must have subscription, and when you are creating a project, you must have coins or subscription. And when you are creating a new project, the same thing is applied. Thanks for staying with us. The login that you can log in, which will be, you have the login with your Gmail like that, that your name will appear here instead of the other thing, and you can set the profile there instead of that my picture that is there. I think we have come to the end of this app. Thank you.